Weche ma moko kata bende kama chielo ni koro duka maduong' mar Naivas mong'ere kaka Naivas supermarket no Oyawo Bade mar 81 Epachoka e gwenge mage Mara shopping mall mayudore e boma Nairobi. E seche ma bende koro en nyasi manotimore e kinde ma mall no mano miluongo ni Mara shopping mall bende koro ne yawo yanga odiochieng' ma kawuono. Mall no iwacho ni nitiere Mombasa Road ka idonjo e Mara Daima.
Steiner from DG, the German Development Financing Organization, and we are very proud to be here today to join this wonderful opening ceremony, and we are proud to be part of Naivas.
My name is Willie Kimani. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer of Naivas Supermarket. Proud and happy to be launching our 81st store 1 week after the 80th. It's a lovely moment when we have had all the upheavals in retail and all that, but we're coming out strong. We're loving the stores, we're loving coming into a mall that we actually helped to design all the way from scratch together with our partners. Happy that our partners are also coming in together and just being strong and actually just growing us. So lovely. What we have here is some serious offers, good partnership with our suppliers, and a state-of-the-art modern design similar to the Greenspan one, but more compact, not as big as the 57,000, but this clearly actually captures. The Mombasa Road stretch has actually been one where we can say continues to be underserved, and we believe even with the expressway it's an advantage, such that someone can even be in even past Kangemi, and you can just take the expressway and you'll be here like 15-20 minutes. So destination shopping is going to change. New malls and the way the malls work is going to work differently. So whatever you now start doing in that person, instead of going towards Karen or towards somewhere other malls in Westlands, because they want the Naivas experience, or they can find that experience here. So that's exactly what we are doing. We are happy that the Naivas way now of working is way much more enhanced, a better way and a better format.